Hi everyone, Ate Myra here, and for today's video, how to get fully verified sa ating GCASH account. Kung hindi pa fully verified yung GCASH account, guys, please watch this video dahil sa video na to, step by step kung tinuro kung paano. Very easy lang, and yes, alamin din natin kung gaano katagal bago ako na fully verified. So, kung interested kang malaman, please keep on watching. Hello everyone! Of course, step 1, login tayo sa ating GCash account and punta tayo sa menu yung nasa upper left side po. And then, makikita natin dito yung name, yung phone number, yan yung account number natin guys. Tapos, makikita mo sa baba ng photo mo yung verify now. As of now, basic level pa lang kasi kakagawa pa lang natin itong account po na ito. So, we want to get verified kasi importante yan guys so that we'll be able to enjoy lahat ng features na offer ni GCash. So, tap natin itong verify now. And ito yung makikita natin. Upgrade to fully verified. To ensure account security and gain access all GCash services. Alright. Get fully verified in 5 minutes lang daw. So, let's see. Now, it's 2:44 p.m. Punta tayo dito sa baba. Get fully verified. And sabi dito guys, choose your ID. Ito yung mga recommended IDs nila guys. UMID, driver's license, PhilHealth card, SSS ID, passport, tsaka voter's ID. Ayun. So, wow, interesting guys. Meron silang PhilHealth card pero wala silang postal ID. Buti na lang meron akong PhilHealth card. So, yun yung gagamitin ko ngayon. Let's try. Tap natin yung PhilHealth card. So, guys, kung okay ka na sa posisyon, then tap mo lang yung nasa baba. Ayan. So, may preview naman guys. Kung okay ka na at happy ka na dyan, then please tap submit. Get ready to take a photo of yourself to verify your identity. We need to collect your buy information. Position your face within the frame. You will be automatically scanned and the process is only 3 seconds daw. So, tap next lang tayo. 3 seconds. Okay. Blink your eyes. Ayun. Still recording. Ayan. Tell us more about yourself. So, nabasa na yung ID information natin, guys. Alright. And then, okay, fill lang natin yung mga missing information dito. Okay? So, for example, sa place of birth. And guys, after your, let's say, your ID information, ganyan, your name, nationality, place of birth, and please make sure yung date of birth tama kasi kanina pag-check ko guys, mali yung month po. Tapos yung address, and then dito sa baba, work details. Nature of work, piliin lang natin, maybe, let me see. Paano kung wala dito, Ate Myra? Okay. Check nyo guys, so, ito yung mga list. So, maybe anything na related, you know? For example, piliin natin dito. So, kung wala sa choices, guys, choose na lang itong others na nasa pinakababa and then specify mo na lang. Let's say, education. Ayan. Next, source of funds, cash on hand, bank account, e-money. Let's see if we can choose all of them. Ayan, pwede naman. So, next lang tayo ay, let me see. Bakit gano'n? Tap next lang tayo and then we can review the information na nandito. Guys, please make sure na tama lahat guys ha. Ayan, para hindi na tayo magka-problema later on. So, sa baba ay accept lang tapos confirm. Application submitted. Due to a surge in KYC applications, please allow us 24 hours daw to review and approve our KYC submission. You will be notified via SMS daw. And ayun. So, hintay na lang tayo within 24 hours guys. Sabi kanina, mabilis lang. So, mabilis lang yung process. Pero yung paghihintay, kung ma-approve ka or hindi, then that will be within 24 hours. Alright. So, anyway, balikan ko na lang kayo. Update ko kayo kapag naka-receive na tayo ng SMS. Okay? Bye for now. Hi guys, I'm back for an update and it's already the next day guys. Hindi pa siya eksaktong 24 hours pero I think more or less 1 hour na lang, 24 hours na. Wala ako na-receive na kahit na anong text message from GCash guys saying na ako ay fully verified na. Kaya naman din ako makapaghintay. Check na lang natin yung ating mismong GCash app. So login lang muna ako guys. Okay, we're here. Check natin yung sa upper left side menu. And okay, fully verified na po pala yung ating GCash account guys. So sabi 'di ba, check natin yung SMS kasi magsisend ng SMS pero wala tayong na-receive pero fully verified na tayo. So view benefits lang tayo. And ayun, fully verified na nga tayo guys. I don't know why wala nang semi-verified dito. Basic tapos fully verified na. So, as you can see, check na lahat ng features ni GCash. Unlike if basic level ka pa lang, 5 features pa lang yung kaya mong magawa. Alright? So, I suggest guys, kung hindi pa upgraded or fully verified yung inyong GCash account, ayun, gawin nyo na itong very easy na steps na ito. And let me know if you have any questions, kung nahirapan kayong fully verified, then just comment down below. Anyway, ayun. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Sana nakatulong kahit paano itong video ko sa inyo. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Subscribe kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.